What's up, trading friends? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're discussing SMCI and where does this ticker going. Now, this is a ticker which we've been buying since it was sitting at $30, and we bought it at approximately $30 ourselves in our trading community. When we go over here, right, we bought it at $30. And in fact, I was saying how, it is a long-term hold for me, and I'll be averaging down if we must. Now, since then, the stock went all the way upwards of $50. And now it's back to 36, okay, 34. Now, personally, I'll be honest with you guys, we didn't take any profits. We really didn't, right? And that's just because kind of the nature of our portfolio being, our position being so small. It was only a 2% cash position because it never really fell lower for us to go ahead and average down in, right, or average into. So it was just going up, up, up. So it was just holding this same $30 position. But in today's video, we're going to be talking about SMCI and where do I see SMCI going. I just wanted to kind of share with you guys my own journey when it comes to SMCI and, writing it all the way up and writing it all the way down, just to maybe feel you guys a little bit better about your position, because I know that this is probably a very common thing that people are seeing. Now, as you guys know, I had a price target on SMCI for the test of the $100 levels by the end of 2025, right? I said that I could see this ticker testing the $100 levels again by end of 2025. Now, I actually believe that that's still absolutely possible, right? However, we're going to see a lot more volatility headed our way, and I could honestly see the stock falling all the way back down to this $25 levels, right? Before it launches back up and tests 50, potentially breaks 50, depending on how 2025 looks for the company, and onwards from there, right? And I'll tell you guys why I say so. This is because of the new pieces of information which we got today. Now, listen, as a trader, it's our job to pivot based off of good news. If you're an investor in SMCI, just hold, and if it becomes lower, sell, okay? Or not, don't sell, my apologies. Buy more, right? Lower your average, lower your average. Like I was saying over here, right? It is a long-term hold for me. If it comes down, we'll lower our average. But, as a trader, again, the channel is called Top Trader Sam, not Top Investor Sam, right? When new information comes out, it's very important for us to put our ego aside and analyze the stock again under a new light. Right? And the company today did have some massive news. When we go over here, right, it says Supermicro turns to Evercore for strategic capital raise. Let me tell you guys something about strategic capital raise, okay? Like, the word strategic can just get the fuck out. Like, it is not necessary for it to be here. So there's no such thing as a good capital raise. There's no such thing, all right? Because no matter how a company is going to raise capital, they're going to be diluting, right? Meaning that they're going to be adding to the shares count available to the public. So your shares are right away going to be worth way less. So there's no such thing as strategic about this. Now, is it strategic for the company from here on out, which is what we're going to talk about, or not? And I'll tell you guys why I'm saying that if you're an investor, it's different than if you're a trader. There are certain things that are good for the company that are not good for the stock. And there are certain things that are good for the stock that are not good for the company, okay? The company is not the stock, and the stock is not the company. This is what you need to get inside your head. Right now, when it comes to the SMCI stock, the stock is going to be suffering, but the company from a long-term perspective is going to be set up for success. Why is that? Why are they raising capital? They are raising capital so they can go ahead and avoid getting delisted from the NASDAQ. Okay? This is why they're doing this, right? They're not doing this because they just want to freaking, go on a yacht. The CEO wants to go on a yacht or anything like that. No. Like majority of the companies which we cover when they do public offerings, right? Like, when we go over here, right? When we go over here and we look at this, right? We look at this. David Micheri bought a private jet while Mullen tanked. How do you think he did this? Okay? How do you think he bought this jet? How do you think he managed to buy this jet? Was it because he was he was a very great, his company's doing very well. They're making a lot of money every single year. Well, why did he do how did he make all this money? Right? Because let's look at the chart of the stock. This is what the chart of the stock looks like. Okay, so majority of companies, when they do these, public offerings, it's just because they're fucking scammers. Okay, they're literally ripping people off every single year, right? But when it comes to SMCI, I guess, you know what? I take it back. You can kind of put the strategic word back in there, but it just pisses me off when I read articles like this because I know like it's just to soften the blow, but it's like, it is what it is. So going back to what I was saying, right? This move is going to be great for the company. And as an investor, you're investing in the company, all right? As a trader, you're looking at the stock. And personally, I wouldn't care if it was SMCI, if it was DGBI, if it was GGBI, whatever it was. If it was just any basic trade for me. But SMCI for me is an investing position. Okay, it is an investing position. However, I do anticipate them going ahead and raising money one way or another, because right now they're showing that, hey, we need money, we need money. When a company shows they need money, what do you think is going to happen? They're going to raise money. Raising money means dilution news. Dilution news means the stock is going down. And we're going to get the bad news before the good news. Okay? They're going to dilute in order to be able to meet the Nasdaq's requirements to not get delisted. So heading into the Nasdaq, we're gonna hear some news of the company announcing dilution. So that's why for me, I'm gonna be closing out my position when it comes to SMCI, and we're gonna be moving forwards. Okay, we're gonna be moving forwards until it dips down to potentially $25, and then I'm gonna be buying again. Okay, that's what I'm gonna be doing. Right now, when it comes to SMCI and where do I see it again, I still see it testing $100. I still see it testing $100 by freaking 2025, by end of 2025. So that stands, but I also can't avoid that, hey, we're heading towards a very turbulent time. We're probably going to dip down to this $25 level before we blast off from here again. And that's fine. That's fine, because again, there are certain things that are good for the company that are not good for the stock. And a public offering in this case is exactly that for SMCI, right? So don't take this, SMCI public offering is like, oh my God, it's over, everything's over. No. The company's growth is still steady. The company's doing very well, blah, 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 this, that. They just need to raise some money to meet the Nasdaq requirements. Now, if they raise money and they don't meet the Nasdaq requirements, oh boy, bitch, that's not going to happen, okay? That's not going to happen. Let's be honest. This is a freaking, multi-billion-dollar company, and a $21 billion company right now after it's been freaking destroyed, right? So, the Nasdaq is going to the Nasdaq's going to also write them off. Like, the Nasdaq is they're very, forgiving. Okay. That's the best way to put it. Now, with that said, my friends, if you guys want to trade alongside me every single day, okay, and know exactly what are the other stocks, which I'm buying, not just SMCI, check out the Discord. Okay. The Discord comes with a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee, right? Comes with alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, crypto alerts, you name it, we got it. And we've been kicking ass, guys. There's a reason why we have over 400 members coming back month after month. All right. Now, when it comes to the Discord, okay, it's it's first 30 days money back. First 7 days are free. After that, the next 30 days are money back guarantee. Give it a shot. If you trade options, give it a shot. If you trade penny stocks, give it a shot. We really have it all for every single person. Just today, $371 for high. SENS, we made a killing, right? Over here, more option alerts, right? More option alerts. This was on our ARM option alerts, which we bought. We're kicking ass, guys. Okay, we're absolutely kicking ass. So check us out. The link is in the comment section in the description. Okay, I look forward to meeting you guys here. And let's listen, guys. Let me explain something to you guys. There's a reason why we have over 400 members coming back month after month. You don't get to this level of people coming back every single month unless you're making people money. What I suggest you guys do is join, see if you make money or not for the first 7 days. And if you don't make money, pack your bags and leave and never look back. That's what I would do. Okay? That's all. Also, right now, the next 10 members that join, they get access to the Discord for a 50% discount. Literally on SMCI. These were our SMCI option lists, right? These things says also $51,000 off of SMCI. As you guys can see, you guys can pause this and, go over it yourselves, right? And then I'm like, that's what the fuck is up? And then he's like, so glad I joined this Discord, right? We're kicking ass, okay? We're kicking ass, guys, right? Maybe pause it or whatever, right? And yeah, okay? Give it a shot. The link is in the comment section description. I look forward to meeting all the serious traders in there. With that said, my friends, I wish you guys the best of luck, whether it's in trading or their life. Thank you for watching. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.